You must have heard of white bread and you must have heard of brown bread. But I bet you have never heard of something called black bread. So what is black bread and how can we make it and why should we make it? We will answer all these questions in this video, so watch the video till the end. Assalamu alaikum one people, I'm Dr. Asma and today I'll tell you about black wheat bread. This bread is made with black wheat and I've mentioned many times black wheat is a superior wheat as compared to our normal white wheat, not because it is gluten free, it has gluten in it, so people who are gluten sensitive cannot eat it. People who want to lose weight also cannot eat it because it is not low in carb. But it is very rich in antioxidants, especially in an antioxidant called anthocyanin. So if you do not suffer from celiac disease and you don't want to lose weight, black wheat is a very good option as compared to the normal white wheat. So let's start making the black wheat bread and watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing many other recipes that you can use this black wheat bread in.
So to make the black wheat bread, the most important thing is the water and the temperature of it. You don't have to take boiling hot water and you don't have to take water that is very cold like out of fridge. You have to take water that is lukewarm. When you put your finger in the water, it should feel warm but not hot. Now we will add some sugar. You can also add honey. Don't worry, this sugar won't go into you because the yeast that we are adding in our water will eat all the sugar. So we will just mix the yeast in the water and keep it aside to let it rise. And then we will take our start ingredient, that is the black wheat flour. You will find the link to buy this black wheat flour in the description box below. Okay, then we will add some salt. And did you notice we did not sift our black wheat flour? We are using whole black wheat flour. And then we will add some oil. I am adding coconut oil, and then we'll add the yeasty water, and then we will mix it all well and knead the dough well. Actually, I added about half a cup of water more to make the dough achieve a consistency like this. Just note this consistency, you have to achieve this consistency. Once you achieve this consistency after kneading, add some oil so that it does not stick to your hands or to the pan. So once we have added the oil, just knead it some more and then shift it to your bread pan. This bread pan that I am using is 8-inch bread pan. I have lined it with butter paper and I have put some oil on the top so that the bread is easy to come out. Anyway, we'll put our dough in it and then we will cover it with a wet cloth. After 24 hours, you can see the bread has risen. Now you can just brush this bread top with butter, but I am adding this black seeds or kalwanji because it is a black bread, so I thought like black seeds would look beautiful. In the comment section below, let me know, would you like black seeds on your bread or would you put like white sesame seeds? Anyway, bake it for 30 minutes and then it should come out like this. The time can vary, but we have to see if the skewer comes out clean, then that means your bread is done. And let me tell you, there is nothing more heavenly than the smell of fresh oven baked bread. But we will not eat it right away. We will let it cool down. Then we will take it out of the mold and you can see how easily it came out of the mold. We'll just peel off the paper and then we will slice it. Make sure you let it cool down. If you try to slice a hot bread, it will crumble away. And before slicing it into thin slices, we should admire the beauty of our black wheat loaf of bread. Can you see how beautiful it is? And it is the only bread that is super rich in antioxidants. So if you are suffering from uric acid, from heart problems, and you don't want to lose weight, this is the bread for you because it is rich in antioxidants. And you have seen how easy it is to make a loaf of bread, isn't it? I'll slice it and show you the air pockets inside. Can you see the air pockets inside our loaf of bread? Wow. This bread is so light and airy, you can judge by the air pockets inside, isn't it? And we have made black wheat roti, black wheat naan, black wheat puri also. To view all these recipes, you have to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it. So whenever I post a new video, you get a notification of it immediately. Anyway, let me make you a sandwich using this bread. This is my probiotic rich homemade mayonnaise. You will find the recipe of this mayonnaise on our channel. Do view it. This mayonnaise has KEFIR in it. And KEFIR is one of the best probiotics if you have some stomach issues or if you have depression and anxiety. Anyway, this is my jam, strawberry jam that I made at home also. You will find the recipe of this jam also on our channel. So better subscribe to our channel because you will enjoy all the tasty and healthy recipes. Anyway, I made this sandwich. You can make a salami sandwich. This bread is a fully functional bread just like white wheat bread. So I am just showing you different ways of how you can use this black wheat bread. It is basically used simply like you use the white wheat bread. I have my fried eggs and you can see how beautifully it can pair up with this black wheat bread. And the best thing is, it is totally homemade. No preservatives, no colorants, nothing toxic in your bread. What else would you want in your bread? So lastly, this is another wonderful way in which you can use your homemade bread. You can make a pizza out of it. So I put some desi ghee, I put my bread, I put some homemade ketchup on it, some vegetables, some cooked minced meat, and then I put some cheese on it, shredded mozzarella, and some olives, and finally I put some oregano on it, and then I left it covered for 2 minutes so that the mozzarella cheese will melt. And just like that, our mini bread pizza is ready, and this is perfect for the lunchbox of your husband as well as for your kids. They will all love it. So let me know in the comment section below, what did you make out of your black wheat flour. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.